Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if you're new. So for today's video is what's in my bag tayo! Yes! What's in my bag tayo? So,
I gave you my heart.
yes guys, let me share you a little story. So this bag guys is nabili ko lang siya sa Shopee sa halagang 356 pesos. Yes po, 356 pesos is ano kasi yun, sale ng Shopee yung 8.8. So yun lang guys. So proceed na tayo kung kasi sulod. Proceed na po tayo kung ano yung laman ng bag ko. So first is I have alcohol. So yan guys. Sa bag lang talaga itong alcohol na to at hindi ko siya nilalabas. Kasi guys, pag aalis na ako, hindi ko na kailangan pang Anyways, kasi guys, sa panahon ngayon is alcohol is life. So dapat bit-bit mo talaga siya always. So alcohol is life. Next, I have suklay. So lahat naman tayo girls, I don't know if even boys may suklay pa sa bag. So suklay is life. Kasi nga guys, alam niyo naman yung mga girls dyan. Yan, suklay is life. Next is I have this one, Bay Foreign. Oh, diba? So nilalagay ko siya sa bag kasi kapag yung pag sumakit yung ulo ko, yan, rub lang siya guys. And super nito, mint. And then I have Vitris for my buhaghag hair. And also I have a ponytail. Kasi guys, pawisin ako. So kailangan talaga may ponytail sa bag ko. And I have meron din ako cotton buds. Bakit may cotton buds sa bag ko? Kasi guys, kulitog is life. Kulitog. Kasi Tagalog. Basta yun na yun. Palating And then I have meron din akong sa bag. So lip tint. Di baling wala akong pulbo at eyebrows sa bag, basta meron ako nito. Lip tint lang, sapat na. And then I have perfume. Yes, super bango ng perfume na to. Inspired perfume. And then syempre cellphone. So hindi pwedeng walang cellphone guys, kasi cellphone is the most important things in this world. Charla. Am I right or wrong? Please comment down below. Charla. Bitaw guys. And then I have a small wallet. And then may laman po siya 1 million. Charla. So ito po ang kanyang laman. Tcharam! So I have 20 pesos. I have resibo. I have coins. And then ito naman. So ito lang guys. I have 50 pesos. And then resibo again. And QR code. Actually guys, this things is napaka-importante po nito. Especially kapag ikaw ay pupunta ng mall, hindi ka makakapasok ng mall kung wala ka nito. So, sa panahon ngayon is QR code is life again, maliban sa alcohol and mask. And then I have this one. So I have this one, pictures ID. Ano ba to? Tingnan nyo guys. Tcharan! Ganda ko guys, no? So, yan po. Then, wait lang. So, dito ko po siya nilalagay kasi para mabilis lang siyang mahanap kapag kapag kinakailangan siya. And then, I have a big wallet. Pero, walang laman, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Walang laman. So, ano pong laman nito, guys? So, ayan. Resibo. Reseller's card. And then, resibo again. And, Watson's card. So, as you can see guys, wala po akong credit card and ATM card. Kasi nga, mahirap lang kami. I have here, 20 pesos. And then, coins. So, yun lang yung laman ng wallet ko. So, wala na po siyang laman guys. Ang laki ng bag ko pero ang liit lang ang laman. So, pasok ko na po siya ulit. So, ponytail. Cotton buds. Suklay. Left hand. Buyon. Vetress. Alcohol. Perfume. And cell phone. So, maluwag pa yung bag mo. Baka ikaw gusto mong pasok dito, Charlie. So, that's all for today's video. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell for more updates. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is what's in bag tayo. Jadi ay. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So kung ikaw ay hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe my channel. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is what's in my bag tayo. So ayan. So if you are interested in this video, just keep on watching.